Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve Windscribe VPN login problem. So a lot of this issues is happening once you do not download basically the web application, which is the basically downloading version of the app. So make sure to download it, as you can see clearly on the Windscribe official guide platform as well. The best thing we recommend is use the desktop app to log in first, following the screenshot, and more backup methods to contact our API. So basically you're going to be downloading their application from the official landing page, and once you have it, then you're going to be connecting it, and mostly there is going to be no issues. So make sure to use the latest version and make sure that your Windows is updated correctly and you have an active internet connection. So make sure to keep all of this stuff in your mind while you are connecting, and you will have a perfect connection and no problems logging in. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel.